Hey Steve, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. Thought I'd just film a quick video here. And the reason why I started the video under here is I know you want to stick within a certain budget, and that we can definitely do that. But I wanted to draw attention to this greenness in here. You know, if we don't do anything to stop the algae from eating away at the wood, the stack right down here is it's gonna be destroyed real quick. So definitely consider getting that taken care of. Because I'm sure you don't want to have to rebuild this deck. All right, Steve, so about that gutter, basically this gutter here, more or less, when it starts to rain really heavy, probably just shoots right over the top of that gutter protection. So while we're here, you know, doing a house wash, getting the roof cleaned up, I can go ahead and power flush out that little opening that's in that gutter and make sure that that's opened up, and open up the downspouts and flush that out right all along that whole thing. So and then, you know, when we're doing before we do the roof cleaning, we're obviously going to remove all the roof debris. The house wash is going to include, you know, all this nastiness up here. We're going to get that bird's nest off. You know, essentially just keep in mind we don't actually power wash your house. You have a painted home. And the last thing you want to do is have someone come out here and blast away at it with high pressure. We do something called soft washing. It's a you know, low pressure, efficient way to clean a house with special algicides and detergents that really melts away all that spider web, bug guts, mold, mildew, and you look alongside this right over here too. All that's going to be handled. So thanks so much for your time, Steve. Look forward to working with you.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. RoofMax is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because RoofMax treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed, with RoofMax, a powerful fusion of science and nature.